Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to just do more of a relaxing video. This is me building my art desk. I recently moved into a new home and I had no furniture and nothing for my art room, and so I bought this art desk from Ikea and I was gonna make this video sooner, but the desk took forever to come here. I ordered it online during a special desk promotion that Ikea had, and it got stuck in the mail, I guess, and it took, I think, over 2 months to finally get the desk, and I had to go to the store and just get one in person. But as far as building the desk, it was actually really easy. I mean, it's kind of like Legos, so it was a lot of fun for me. You just find the piece and start putting them together. I had a lot of fun building this desk, and it's gonna end up suiting my purpose very well. I picked a white desk just because I think that's what's gonna look best for shooting, and then it's just a nice blank canvas literally for when I'm making my paintings or drawing or whatever my heart desires. It was a little difficult with the drawers though, and the desk is very heavy, so if you have someone to help you out, I highly recommend grabbing a friend and knocking this out together and maybe buying them lunch in exchange. I'm really excited to have my own art desk, and it's really long too, so now I should be able to shoot on a more blank canvas, I guess, and bring you more content, because now I have a surface to actually do my art on, and I'm not worried about getting it dirty or anything, because that's what it's meant for. It's meant for paint to get everywhere. I hope to shortly be bringing you guys a little tour of my art room so far. It's nothing terribly fancy, but I'm proud of it, so I'm excited to bring you guys that. But I would say for the price and the quality, I would definitely recommend one of the variations of the Ikea desk for any large crafts or hobbies that you're into, such as sewing or scrapbooking or jewelry making or painting and etc. Because it's just a very nice way to keep things organized and while looking very polished at the same time. And I like when it's finished, I really like the feel of how the drawers slide in and out of the cabinet units. And one of the main appeals of the Ikea desk for me was the customization options that you could do, so that you could really cater it to your needs and purposes. And for me, storage was a big one, so I got both. I think they're called Alex units, but I got both of those. And I've seen a lot of YouTubers use this desk for making a makeup vanity, so if you wanted to do that as well, you could do that too. But yeah, the only bump I really ran into building this thing is I only have manual tools, so when I was putting the leg, as you see in the back there, underneath for extra support, I couldn't screw the screws in, and same with the rest of the screws, because I was ending up just stripping the screw because I didn't have any power tools. I just had to use all my muscles that I have to try to get it to work. And the only other thing was the drawers were a little funky. And one of the last, I would say, downfalls or pluses is that the top isn't actually connected to the bottom two units, so if you're going to move, that makes it nice for moving, that it's all separated. but it's not actually fixated to the surface. It's just got some non-slip grips on there to try to make it not budge, but if your dog was charging at it at 15 miles per hour, it's gonna fall off. But yeah, I'm very pleased with the end result, and I'm gonna be using this desk for my painting, and going to use another desk for my digital art and computer and more other things. But yeah, this is the final result, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I hope you liked this video and you got to see my face again. I'm going to be doing more videos with my face in it from now on, so stay tuned. And if you like this video and want to see more, please click on that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you're notified every time there's a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.